Manipur's COVID-19 total tally now has increased to 30,151 with 104 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching, Ukhrul, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Churachandpur and Chandel district. The state death toll now stands at 381 with no fatalities reported in the last 24 hours according to the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 590 while 29,180 persons have recovered from the deadly disease so far. The recovery rate is said to be 96.77%. The ongoing second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in India may peak between May 11 to 15 with 33 to 35 lakh total active cases and decline steeply by the end of May according to mathematical model devised by IIT scientists. India saw a single-day rise to 3.32 lakh COVID-19 infections and 2,263 fatalities with 24.28 lakh active cases in the last 24 hours. In predicting that the active cases would go up by about 10 lakh by mid-May before sliding, scientists from the Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur and Hyderabad applied the susceptible, undetected, tested, positive and remove approach Sutra model. Security forces have reportedly rescued two kidnapped ONGC technical staffers from the clutches of Assam's proscribed rebel outfit ULFA-I. As per reports, the Assam Rifles and police in a joint operation rescued the two ONGC employees from Nagaland's Mon district late last night. Operations are still underway to rescue another ONGC employee, said an Indian Army official. The suspected ULFA-I militants have on April 21 kidnapped the three ONGC employees from its Lakhwa oil field in Assam's Sivsagar district along the Assam-Nagaland border. Altogether, 16 students of Dibrugarh University tested positive for COVID-19 in last 24 hours, prompting authorities to cancel all ongoing and upcoming examinations. The development has compelled health authorities to declare 3 hostels as containment zones to contain the spread of the disease. Airfare short and demand for private jets boom as Indians could afford it scrambled to escape a COVID surge before flights to the United Arab Emirates shut down. According to media reports, all flights from the UAE to India, one of the world's busiest air corridors, will be suspended from Sunday as coronavirus cases in South Asian nation reach record level and overwhelm hospitals.